The Hot Wheels 1963 Studebaker Champ may be small, but it carries the soul of a hard-working, offbeat classic that stood out in a world of big names and bigger egos. The real Studebaker Champ was a unique pickup from a company known for marching to the beat of its own drum. In 1963, while Ford and Chevy dominated the streets with their boxy, brute force trucks, Studebaker delivered something different: style, comfort, and a little attitude. And that's exactly what Hot Wheels has captured in this awesome miniature ride. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Hot Wheels Champ looks vintage cool. The squared-off grille, the swept-back fenders, and the clean, simple lines give it an unmistakable early 60s flavor. Some versions might sport flames or custom paint, others might keep it clean in classic factory colors. But either way, it's got presence. And it's not just a pretty face. With wide Hot Wheels wheels, slammed suspension, and a bed that just screams for a custom load, the Champ rolls smooth and holds its own on any track. It's the kind of truck you could picture hauling parts to the drag strip, or just cruising down Main Street in style. The real 1963 Champ was built using parts from the Studebaker Lark sedan, giving it a more comfortable, car-like ride than other pickups of its time. That creative mix-and-match spirit fits perfectly in the Hot Wheels world, where custom culture and clever engineering rule the road. Whether you're a die-hard fan of classic American pickups or just love collecting rare and unusual castings, the Hot Wheels Studebaker Champ delivers. It's a tribute to a brand that dared to be different, and a truck that still turns heads even in miniature form. It's not the loudest, it's not the biggest, but the Champ, it's got style, history, and character, and that's what makes it a true Hot Wheels legend.